Manipur Lainga ki Directorate of Environment and Climate Change na sindana numidini chathagadaba Indian Himalayan Region Climate Change Conclave ngasidagi ko ng mamangda laiba City Convention da hodokre. Research Practice Policy Communication haiba hiramda pangtokliba conclave asi ngasi hodok pagitharamda Manipuri Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goel, Forests, Environment and Climate Change ki Principal Secretary Arun Kumar Sinha Sarukyaki. Conclave asi pangtok pagi pandam gi matangda Environment and Climate Change Directorate ki Director Dr. T. Brajakumar na hai nung junong sagi khalda Malem Pumbada ahong balakpada India gi Himalayan region da honglakliba kaya asi nainaduna paikhat payaba thorang sing paikhat pada mateng oinaba conclave asi pangtok pani hai ki. National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration NEPA New Delhi na Manipur University ki Research and Development Cell amadi Manipur Institute of Management Studies MIMS Manipur University na punna kutsam na duna sinba Leadership Development for Deans of Faculty, Heads of Department and Senior Faculties of Universities in Northeastern Region India haiba hiramda ngasidagi hoduna numidhom ni chathagadaba National Workshop Program hodok pagi thoram ama MUG VC Court holder pangtokre. Naipagi Vice Chancellor Professor Sasikala Wanjarina Education Quality Inclusive Education da ahenba mityeng thamduna amatta oina punna chatminnaduna chokhatpa khunai ama oihanbada khudingmakna thodang lominna shi haiki. Thorangamari lainana MUG Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendrana haiki bada workshop program asina leadership amma di academic administration da thingnagadaba awabasing mayokna bada department amada lariba faculty singi marakta ahenba cooperation pinaduna henthoi senthoi ba oiragani. NEP 2020 na lakpagalana na higher education na lariba senior faculty singna research amadi innovation da ahenba mityeng thamduna pagolakliba mahairai singda mangjing thana chathanba ngamlagani.
In today's complex and rapidly changing educational environment, leadership in higher education cannot be confined merely to administrative efficiency or academic excellence. It must be transformational, inclusive, and visionary. Universities are not just centers of learning. They are the nerve centers of societal progress, the cradles of innovation and the guardians of human values. Therefore, our leaders, that is deans, HODs and the senior faculties, must be equipped not only with academic knowledge but also with the leadership qualities that inspire confidence, collaboration, creativity and critical thinking. True leadership in academia means having courage to take decisions in time, patience to build consensus, and a vision to see beyond immediate challenges.
Imphal West District ki manung chana laiba kwa kaithal lamdong da laikidraba samjat sabam samugi imong manung na laikidraba asigi mingda Samu Road amadi gate inauguration cum opening ceremony gi thoram pangthokher. Tharamadda Mari Lenana Laikidraba Samjat Sabam Samugi Machanupa Samjat Sabam Sanana Fundokibada Lambi Asi Laikidraba Mahaki Apopumapana Ninjaramba Gum Semduna Mayam Chatnahan Mani Makatarag Badan Lambi Asemba Asida Laikaya Sigi Mioy Kaya Amasu Mating Taunaduna Yamwana Lambi Asi Semba Ngamjabani Maramaduna Lambi Asi Ngasidagi Laikidraba Mahaki Apokpa Mapagi Mingda Miyamda Sinare Hanasu Fondoki
Lambi Semba Haibasi Ibu aigi ibu bong na hairami lambi semba masung pukhi tawbada adukki mati puning thokatna honau haibase aigi ibu bong na hairami aigi pasu adumna aina nahan pung ahumda nong ahum khai marida nong tarakpada ai purit lokthokna leba aksita tawri aina khaleba I thankful to our father kaigino da mahangna nong marak sida ina suri ba thabak se aigi lairik tamdu din nothing ne na khaleba Mahang tambire mo ay spirit na ngasi ay kut asina sudun hing mangam jaragi amusung aseng mga hakit mo ito na ay imong da extend to pinan na kanagong maghanata su maphamam bada su extend to bangam jabase lamdong khakta nati hino khong imbi khata nati kojeng lekai khata nati ngamma badi loina sem gen khali adu iswar na dunga pangal dudi dolabana na ida piram dabana ngam jadrabasu mathang mathang paikhat pangam jabo oijage haidana mayam dagi bor ni jage